Hi guys, this is the Kitchen Fairy with another vlog recipe, and this time it's a veggie dish from Indonesia that we call lodeh. But this is not really lodeh like in Indonesia or like Indonesians would make. They add spices and whatnot. I just use the simplest what I have in the kitchen, and no complaint from the boys, so that's a win-win. It is really nice to be served with warm rice. Of course, Indonesians eat almost everything with warm rice, but this is good as is as well. My oldest really like it, although they're not really, both boys not really fond of quail eggs. Quail eggs taste so yummy for me, and maybe for most Indonesians. You can omit the quail eggs and up the tofu. I'll see you again, and yeah, take care. Melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and saute 1 garlic that you slice until fragrant. Add in 1/4 cup of sliced long beans and 1 chayotte that you skin and slice into long sticks. Add in slice of fish cake and just stir it for 3 to 5 minutes. Add in about 2 tablespoons of vegetable flakes and just stir it again. After 3 minutes, pour in 1 can of coconut milk. Mine is thick from this brand. I truly love this brand. It's really nice. So just stir it until the coconut milk is liquidify, turning into liquid. Pour in half can of water using this can. Season it with vegeta powder and onion powder to taste. And a little bit of white pepper powder or ground. Let it boil until veggies are tender. And add in about 1 can of canned or ready to use quail eggs. Again, adjust the flavor to your liking with vegeta powder, onion powder, and white pepper powder. And cook until veggies are tender.